JDCap 26 here to do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And we have the Jacome and Jackie JK 6089 toolkit. This toolkit can be found on eBay. I'm not selling this toolkit at all, so I just want to tell you about it because it's a great kit to have in your arsenal. So let's open it up. It's got a button here, and it just flips up like this, and the tools bits flip up like that. Got some extra bits in here and parts. It's got about 46 bits in here, and it's got extension, tweezers, and it's got the screwdriver. Screwdriver snaps out. It's got sockets, and their sockets are actually magnetized. This part is magnetized, so you don't lose your bits when you go to work on something. This part turns right here, and the bits slip back into the case very neatly. It's got small bits for eyeglasses, so it's a great eyeglass repair tool to have. Okay, and you can't go wrong with this toolkit. I'm telling you, it's really a complete toolkit. You're gonna like it. This extension comes out, and it goes on here. It's magnetized. This part is magnetized. This part is magnetized, I think, as well. Let's see. That's magnetized too. So, I highly recommend this. I'm going to put the links in the comments below to see if I can find this kit on Amazon or eBay, so you have a quick time finding it if you want to get it. And that's the JK 6089 series mini toolkit. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. And please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.